Here is a quick demo of HubSpot WooCommerce integration by MakeWebBetter. First, you need to install and activate the plugin. After activation, HubSpot submenu will show on WooCommerce menu left side. Click on this submenu. Now it will redirect to a page in which first step is connection. If you are not having any HubSpot account, first you need to create a HubSpot account, then connect it. Click on connect your account. Now you have to select the portal with which you want to sync the WooCommerce data. Click on choose account. Click on connect app. In the next step, you have to create properties and group for HubSpot. Click on create group and properties. Now properties and group are creating in HubSpot, and you can check the properties and group here in properties section. Here it will show all the properties created by plugin. After creation of properties, you will move to next step, that is create list in HubSpot. Click on create list. It will create the contact list in HubSpot. In the next step, you have to map your deal stages with WooCommerce stage status. Here it will show all the pipelines in HubSpot deal. You can select the pipeline, and according to WooCommerce status, you can map the deal stage. Click on save button. In the next step, you can select the user role for which you want to sync contact. Like if you want to sync only customer and guest user, you can select them, and after save, it will move to onboarding process. In this page, you can complete your onboarding. If you don't want to complete onboarding, you can skip it. Now we move to our dashboard. Our connection is established. This is the dashboard for the plugin. Here it is showing the portal with which our plugin is connected. You can reauthorize your account by clicking on it. If you don't want to sync the data from store to HubSpot, you can click on this button. It will disconnect your store. Here it will show all the sync data, like how many contact are synced, how many deals are synced, and how many deals are waiting to sync, how much product are synced. In this section, contact tab, here you can, if you are having any old website and there are many users, you can select the user role for which you want to sync them as contact. From here, you can select a date and a time between which you want to sync contact. Since it is a new website, so it is not showing any data. You can move to deal section. Here it is in background syncing the product. So for now, it is showing a progress bar like product are syncing background. Once the products are synced, it will show deal related section. Fourth tab is abandoned cart. If any product is added to cart by user but user did not place the order, then the data will considered as abandoned cart. So if you want to track the abandoned data, you can enable this setting. If you want to sync guest user abandoned cart data, you can also enable this setting. If you want that after 30 days data will delete from your site, you can click on it. In this setting you have to select the time after that, how much after that time data will delete from your site. Cart timer, in this setting you have to select a time after which add to cart product will view as a abandoned cart. By default this value is 5 minutes. So if any user add the product in cart but did not place the order, after 5 minutes product will view as abandoned. Next section is automation. Here we have our pre-built workflow. So if you want to use any workflow in HubSpot, you can click create then on HubSpot and it will create the workflow. In the add-on section, it will show all our add-ons which are available for our integration. So if you like HubSpot field to field sync add-on, if you want to sync any additional HubSpot properties and want to map it to contact, you can use this add-on. In the next setting tab, you can see all the properties and group created by a plugin. You can view how many lists are created. There are two another settings. First one is plugin setting. From here you can select the role for which user role for which you want to sync them as contact. These all are the settings, like calculate ROI for selected status. If you want to show a checkbox in checkout page, you can enable it. The next setting is for RFM setting. In the log section, it will show all the API related details, like since in background product are syncing, so it is showing the logs related to products. And here it is there also a setting like after how many days this data will delete from your site. So by default value is 30. Now we can move to deal section. Here product are syncing. If you go to this product sync section, it will show all the 23 product are synced. So now deals are syncing. In this deal section there are three setting. First one is map deal stage with ecom pipeline. This is the same setting which we have seen on our connection time. So it will show if you want to change any setting, you can change from here. Next setting is create deal for new orders. From here you can allow to sync new deals. Here all the different settings are given, like if you want to associate deal to company, you can enable it. If you are having any multi currency, then you can enable it. In the next setting you can sync your historical deals. Since product are synced, we can sync the historical deals from here also. Like we are having one order in this site, so we can sync it by from here also. So we can see that their deals are syncing in background. So that's the quick overview of our plugin.